Menteri Rangba Khubor konrad ke sangma habajuba bhalor ka jingkran lamphang ulan ula Kubur ba ki artli ki district council kata ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bar ka Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council labun Bnai ki Khlem la ban siu Tulop ya ki Nongtrei jong ka dak ba pensyai ba amdei satya ban keno e ka sorkar jela halor ka jingbam la ban siu ya ka Tulop Menteri Rangba uong pan ba ka de ka kamram jo ka sorkar ban kershan ya ki.
Sir, there was a concern regarding the district council salaries, especially in the Garo Hills and also in the Jhadc Hills. Sir, you are aware that both these organizations and institutions or governments are actually autonomous in nature, and hence the salary component and running the district councils is completely the responsibility of the elected body, which is autonomous in nature. And hence, to tie it to the state government and put it on the responsibility of the state government to pay the salaries is not fair in one way. But still, since it is within our state and it is a traditional institution that we all the public, in fact, requires and needs, it is the responsibility of the government to look into ways and means in which we can support them and help them whenever possible. So there is a bigger challenge when it comes to these district councils, because while we give them money and funds to them as and when we are able to, and as and when their share comes, there is also a requirement to internally improve the functioning of these organizations also. Just to share with you, sir, there are 1,577 employees in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And the difference between the amount that they earn every month and the salaries that they have to pay is almost close to 3 to 4 crores deficit. So roughly, I don't have the exact numbers, but I can tell you plus minus average, the revenues are about 1.5 to 2 crores a month, whereas salaries and other expenditures touches about 5 crores per month for the Garo Hills District Council alone. And the Jhadc Hills District Council also faces a similar problem. And hence, there will have to be a multi-pronged approach and a lot of strong decisions to be taken administratively within the district councils to cut their cost, to be very firm in their administrative mechanism. And yes, the government of Meghalaya can also support in terms of guiding them and also giving them funds as and when possible, of course following the necessary guidelines. But sir, we are aware of the matter. And yes, for a long time they have not been able to pay salaries, but it is not because government of Meghalaya is not paying salaries. It's not our responsibility to pay the salaries. It is the responsibility of the council. But as I said, it is our responsibility to support them, which we are doing. But to directly blame government of Meghalaya for not releasing the salaries, I feel, sir, is not fair on the government of Meghalaya. But we are part of the system together, and therefore we will do what we can to support the district councils, because it is definitely part of the state, and we also feel the pain and the difficulties that they go through, and we will do our best, sir, to support them. We are supporting them even now, and even in the future, so we will do our best to support them.